you are looking for an easier way to charge your Apple devices on the go, then check this out. It's 3-in-1 travel charging mat from JARGOU. 1, 2, 3 different ways to charge your devices in one without plugging a wire. You can put your iPhone on there. You can put your Apple Watch on there. You can put your AirPods on there. All your Apple devices are now charging. When you are on the go, it folds up into a really compact, tiny design. All magnetic so it doesn't come apart. Simply pack it up and you are good to go. Click the link below to get one for yourself. If you enjoyed this video and want to watching more, please support this channel by press like button and comment what do you want to see in next video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.